Today's recipe is super healthy Tortang Okra. Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where my aim is to bring the taste of the Philippines to the West. Guys, I have plenty of okra recipe on my playlist, just check them out. Here are the ingredients of my super healthy Tortang Okra. Okra, garlic, onion, vegetable oil, soy sauce, ground black pepper, salt, and eggs. Now let's prepare the okra. Cut the stalk and repeat the process. Now let's slice the okra thinly. It's important to slice it thinly, guys, so that it cooks really quick. Be careful because the knife is sharp. Now your sliced okra is ready, guys. Looks really beautiful. Okay guys, let's prepare the eggs. Give it a good whisk. Season with salt and ground black pepper. Combine all the ingredients. Set aside. Now, let's start cooking. In a preheated pan, add the vegetable oil. Now we can saute the garlic. Stir until the garlic turns golden brown. Once the garlic turns golden brown, add the onion. Mix thoroughly. Smells absolutely gorgeous. At this point, we can add the okra. Stir your okra for 3 minutes. You have to cook the okra for 3 minutes only, guys. Don't take long to cook. This is going to be a very delicious, super healthy Tortang Okra. Now we can turn the heat to medium. Just stir continuously for 3 minutes, okay guys? After a minute of cooking, just add the soy sauce. Oh, look at that. The soy sauce will help enhance the flavor of your okra. After 3 minutes, just add the eggs. It takes 2 to 3 minutes for the eggs to cook. After 3 minutes on a low heat, your super healthy tortang okra is now ready to serve. Here we are, guys. My super healthy tortang okra is now ready to serve and enjoy. Now let's taste it. Oh, that is so delicious, and the okra still remain crispy. Try it! I hope you enjoy my super healthy tortang okra today. And if you like it, then like it. And if you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.